Hi children, what is here? Shall I read for you? Odd one out. What is the meaning of that? Odd one out. Supposing 3 children are standing around, 2 are girls and 1 is a little boy. Which is the odd one? Yes, 1 little boy. What we are trying to do here, what we are going to learn is, look at all the pictures. And if there are 3 cars and 1 aeroplane, which is the odd one out? The aeroplane. So like that, different pictures I'm going to give you. I'll give you 4 pictures and you look at all of them carefully and tell me which is not part of that group. That is what we call odd one. If there are all cars, 1 is an aeroplane, that's a different one. Yes? And if you have all girls and 1 boy is there, the boy is the odd one out. So we are going to pick out the odd one from the 4 pictures I give you. Let's see how clever you are, how quick you are to find out which one is not part of that group. Shall we? Yes. Now let's look at our first picture. Study the 4 pictures. Look what is there and which is not part of that group. Now we have lots of things here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures. Yes? What is this? Flower. Can you name the flower for me? Very good. It's a big flower. Sunflower. Huge flower. Okay. What flower is this? Nice red, beautiful one. Hibiscus. Good. And then what flower is this? Rose. Good. What is this beautiful orange thing here? Carrot. What is a carrot? Carrot is a vegetable. Very good. So we have sunflower, shoe flower, hibiscus. We have rose. 3 are flowers. 1, 2. And this is a vegetable. Very good. Is vegetable part of this? No. So the odd one here is the vegetable. 3 are flowers. This is the odd one out in this picture. Very good. This is how you find. So in every exercise, you will get 4 pictures. You find out which one is different from the other. 3 flowers, 1 vegetable out. Very good. Shall we take our next picture? Look carefully and tell me which one is not part of the group. Look, we have lots of beautiful things here. What is this? It's a picture of a crow. What is the color of the crow? Black or grey. Good. This is a crow. What is a crow? A bird. Good. What is this? A lovely green parrot. What is a parrot? It's a bird. Very good. And what do you have here? In the water. Somebody's swimming in the water. Duck. What is a duck? Duck is a bird. Good. What is this? Beautiful black and red. Butterfly. What is a butterfly? Butterfly is an insect. Very good. So what do we have here? 1, 2, 3 birds. Crow, parrot and duck. 3 birds and this is a butterfly. So this is the odd one out. Very good. See how clever you are becoming? Picking the odd one. Birds from the insect. Okay? Good. Shall we take our next exercise and to see how smart you are? Good. Look at all this. Look. What is this? Pomegranate. Good. And what is this? It's an apple. Good. And this one? It's a mango. Good. What is this? It's a potato. So, you have pomegranate, apple and mango. All 3 are what? Belong to what family? Fruit family. Very good. And this one, potato, It belongs to the family of vegetable. It's a vegetable. Very clever children. So we have 3 fruits and 1 vegetable. That's the odd one out. Excellent. We are learning to choose the odd one out. 3 fruit, 1 vegetable. Good. Shall we look at another picture? Go to another exercise. Look at the pictures and find the odd one out. Let's see how good you are. Look at each picture and see what we have. Okay? Now, look here. What is this? The picture of a bear. Very good. Bear. Very good. What is a bear? It's an animal. Good. What is this? Cat. A pussycat. Very good. What is pussycat? It's an animal too. What is this? Camel. Where do you find camel? In the desert. What is a camel? It's an animal too. What is this? Crab. What is this? Crab. Where does the crab live? In the water, in the sea. It's a sea animal. Now these animals, the bear, the cat and the camel, they live on land. Land animal. This one, a crab, it's found, lives in the water. It's a water animal. So which is the odd one out? It's the crab. That's the odd one out. These 3 are land animal. This animal, sea animal, lives in the water. Yes? Very clever children. Let's go to another exercise. Find the odd one looking at the pictures and let's see how clever you are. Look, your favorites are all here. What is this? Lady's finger. You love to eat lady's finger? Yes. What is lady's finger? It's a vegetable, your favorite one. Good. And what is this? Lovely green color. What is it? It's a bottle gourd. It's a vegetable too. Good. What is this? Beautiful purple color vegetable. Brinjal. Very good. That's also a vegetable. What is this? Banana. What is banana? It's a fruit. Very good. So you have lady's finger, bottle gourd and brinjal. 3 belong to the vegetable family, vegetable group, and here you have the fruit, banana, which belong to the fruit family, and that's the odd one from the vegetable. These 3 are vegetable, this is a fruit. Excellent. You are becoming very clever. Shall we take another exercise? Look at the picture, find the odd one out and see how good you are. Look at the picture. There are a lot of things here. Look. Let's look at. What is this? This is a car. Your daddy's car. What is this? It's a big vehicle. It's a bigger car. This is another car. Okay? We have 3 cars here. Very good. Now what is this? Beautiful. Going in the water. It's a lovely little boat. You can travel in the boat. All are vehicles. Yes? What's the difference here? These 3 are cars. They move on the road. This is a boat which goes on the water. So this is a odd one out. The vehicle that move on the road, the vehicle that goes in the water. Odd one. Very good. So we are becoming very clever. The transport on the road goes on the road. This is the transport that goes in the water. Odd one. Clever children. Shall we take another exercise? Another picture. Find the odd one out. Good. Look what we have here. What is this? You're scared of this, isn't it? It's in your house all over. Cockroach. Very good. What is a cockroach? It's an insect. Beautiful, bright red cockroach that come frightening you, isn't it? What is this? This is a housefly that brings fever for you, sits on your food. Housefly. What is a housefly? Again, it's an insect. Good. What is this? This is a naughty little insect. What is it? It comes and troubles you day and night. Mosquito. Very good. Mosquito brings fever. Yes, mosquito is also an insect. And what is this? Looks like a snake. What is it? It's an earthworm. Where does he live? Under the earth, among the soil. Earthworm. Okay? So now, which is the odd one out here? Definitely the earthworm that lives under the soil is odd one from the three insects that live in your house and trouble you. Cockroach, housefly, and mosquito all live in your house to give you trouble. And this is an earthworm that lives in the soil in the garden. This is an odd one. Very good. You are becoming very clever. Shall we look at another exercise, another picture, and find the odd picture out? Good, look carefully what we have here. What is this? It's a beautiful chair, your daddy's office. You might have seen he sits and he can turn any side. It's a beautiful little chair. What is this? Again, you might find this in doctor's room. Again, what is it? It's a chair. And what is this? This is also a wooden chair. Very good. It's also a chair. What is this? This is a table. A table. So what are all this? All are furnitures. All chairs and tables. So now let's look. We have one chair, two chairs, three different type of chairs. And what is this? A table. So we have chairs, table is the odd one out. Very clever. Three different types of beautiful chair, and here is a table that is different from the chair, a table. Very good. Clever children. Shall we look at another exercise, another picture? Look carefully and find the odd one out. Look what we have here. What are they? Lots of trees are here, isn't it? What is this now? Tall. It's a coconut tree. Very good. And what is this? Can you see something hanging here? It's a banana tree. Very good. And here's another huge round banyan tree. Very good. And what is this? There's a pot here. There's a tiny little tomato plant here. It's a tomato plant in a pot. Now look at all the pictures. We have coconut tree, banana tree, and we have banyan tree, and this is a tiny little tomato plant in a pot. So which is the odd one out? The tomato plant is the odd one out because other three are huge trees. Very clever children. Learn to find how to pick out the odd one. Good. Shall we take another picture? Now look. Look at the picture. Lovely things are here. Look carefully. Recognize what they are and find the odd one. Shall we? What is this? This is a polar bear. What animal is this? Polar bear. You find in the ice. They live among the ice, North Pole, South. So this is a polar bear. How beautifully it looks. What is this? It's a pussy cat. That is a pussy cat live in your house. It's a polar bear, pussy cat. What is this? Who guards your house? Dog. This is the dog that guards your house. Good. And what is this? Gorgeous little animal. White horse. What is this? Horse. So we have a horse here. We have a dog here. We have a cat here. What are they? They're domestic animals. We keep them all in our house. And what is this? a polar bear, which is a wild animal. Good. So which is the odd one? The polar bear, which is the wild animal. That's the odd one out. Clever children. 3 domestic animals, 1 wild animal. Polar bear. Excellent.